We're going camping!
Today, we're going camping. And I don't mean RV camping, I mean tent camping. First time ever as a family. So this will be interesting. We sold our RV, we bought this beast so we can buy a fifth wheel later on. But this weekend, we're going camping. It's some Kansas State Park, and we'll show you what that looks like. But first, we gotta load this empty truck, and we're gonna show you what that looks like here in a second. All right, let's go. Like a glove. Pretty beautiful out here. We're gonna set up this tent. First time ever us setting up this tent. It is a 9-person tent. I think that's big enough for the 4 of us.
8-person.
Oh, it's an 8-person tent. Excuse me. And it says it's gonna take us only 15 minutes to set up. We'll see. So let's time ourselves. All right, let's go. Okay, that took us 43 minutes, not 15. But it was our first time. Not bad.
We'll see if it's still standing in the morning.
It will be. The problem was we started off, we put the wrong cross poles in. That was my fault. But once we fixed that, it went up all right. Just TTPs, techniques you gotta learn over time, putting up a big tent. All right, good to go. Tent's up, fire's going, dinner's getting made. Not bad. It's cooling off, nice breeze. It's a beautiful place here in central Kansas. Hot dogs over the fire.
I think I'm gonna sleep so comfortable tonight.
Yeah, look at that delicious meat.
Hi, Grace.
Like I said, camp's been going. Fire, dinner. Later we'll do s'mores. But right now, we're going to show you the inside of the tent. We got it up. And Emma was pretty instrumental in setting up the inside. So she's going to show you the inside.
Mama's sleeping there. I'll sleep there. Dad sleeps there. And then we have like, what do you call this? Things.
Divider.
Yeah, you have a divider, and then back here, Grace, a little room.
Okay, now what?
And then this is where we just keep our clothes in our bags.
So this is what the inside of an 8-person tent looks like when you sleep like kings and queens. All right, good job, girls. Enjoying your evening?
I gotta find popcorn because Mommy forgot the popcorn.
Mommy forgot popcorn.
Sin. Sleep last night. How'd you sleep? Were you cold? Did I warm you up? Did I help you warm you up by getting you all your blankets? Yeah.
You need water, Grace?
What you doing, Emma Rose?
Fishing.
Fishing. You a pro at this? Oh, you are, huh? Bobber stuck in the tree. Yeah, let's go look at that right over here. One of these. It's not, that is not it. Ah, there it is. Right there. It's only 11:48 in the morning, girls. Much better. Much better.
We made some Dutch oven brownies and we're about ready to eat them on the campfire.
Dutch oven brownies, huh? Okay, let's see. Oh man, that looks delicious. Ooh, that looks pretty good.
Grace, you want a bite?
Bite of Dutch oven brownies.
Careful, they're still a little hot. Don't put off. Okay, you get that.
Don't hold.
But yeah, I said be careful, they're still a little hot.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna eat it.
Don't listen to Mom. It's gonna be hot. Whatever. Big mouthful. Let's move this thing. Everybody watch out. Just out of the way. Let it cool down off the fire. Looking good. So where'd you find this recipe?
On Pinterest.
On Pinterest. It told us to use charcoal briquettes, like 20 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and ended up having to add a little more on the bottom. It was a little soupy, and it went for about 30 minutes. So looks like a success. Was it a success, Emma? Mom? Yep.
And even better success was the Dutch oven liner.
Oh yeah, the Dutch oven liner.
No mess.
No mess. By the way, the brownies are gluten-free and delicious. What kind of flour did you use? Oh, crusties. fishing this morning. So as you can see, it's gotten pretty windy. Waves are going crazy. The tent is about to blow down. Look at that. I think we're leaving today. It's supposed to rain and thunderstorm tonight. Okay, so we've had to take the rain shield off the tent. It was collapsing the tent because of the high winds I showed you before. Now the girls are holding on while we unpack it and throw everything out quickly. There's not even a wind advisory in this place. Yeah. But packing up before the tornado comes in the land of Oz. Here we go. Let go, the tent's gonna fly away. Whoa, there we go. So how was that? Fun? Yes, it was. The first couple days of fishing and camping and fires, and then what happened this morning?
How'd you sleep last night?
Bad.
How did you really sleep last night?
Good.
No, you didn't.
I slept
Grace
good.
slept good. Emma slept horribly.
What'd you say? You're not a tent sleeper now?
I think I'm gonna sleep so comfortably tonight.
Not a tent
Just a
sleeper.
glamper.
Well, I didn't sleep good my first night, but my second night I was pretty exhausted, so I slept through a lot of things. Mama didn't sleep good either.
Not either night.
Well, so the wind has the best of us today. We've tore down and we're heading back. We're gonna go through Manhattan, Kansas for some Chick-fil-A. We all love good old Chick-fil-A. That's the Southern blood in us all.
Some of us.
And what else are we doing in Manhattan? Anybody know?
See where Daddy lived when he was really little.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. So my dad was in the military and he served at Fort Riley. And we lived in that area. So we're going to get to see that. Okay, here we are. So this is Ogden, Kansas, actually. And this is the first place I lived when I was a newborn child. So here we are. I got better directions from my mom. Is after you cross these railroad tracks, take the second right. It's the second or third house on the left, which you can tell. No more house, no more mobile home here, just an empty lot, but you can see the old gas meters where there used to be something, or electrical lines. So this is where I lived.